Hi there, this is Bryce Button, Director of Product Marketing at AJA Video Systems. What I have in my hand here is the KONA 5. If you've been looking at the new Mac Pro, or even if you've got a high-end HP system, this is the card for you. What we have is 4 12G SDI connections. We've got an HDMI 2.0. What this means you can do is you're going to be able to handle 4K over a single cable. You're going to be able to even handle 8K. Why does 8K matter? It sounds like ultra high resolution, which it is. It's Ultra HD 2. You're going to use it because maybe you're working with virtual sets. Maybe you're doing video effects. You need a bigger plate than the 4K or HD final production that you're going to utilize it in. So if you want to learn more about these powerful solutions from AJA, the range of items we have for 12G SDI workflows, please visit aja.com.